Hi guys, let's unbox the BP monitor I bought for 1000 from Flipkart. I will leave the link in the description in case you want just buy it from there. Now let's unbox it. To the box we have an invoice. Let's give it a sec. And we have a protection like something like that. Just I will remove it. And here is the box. We have the monitor, and here we have the TV monitor. Now let's open the box. And we have got a warranty card. The warranty period is 5 years. And here comes the monitor. And we have got the instruction manuals, like it has so many pages how to use it. And they will provide the free batteries for us, so no need to buy separately. And now let's insert the batteries. And here only you need to insert this. Let's see how to connect from phone to this monitor. So you can download this app from the Play Store. And it will ask you to select the country, which country are you from. Just select it. And it has got an update, just update it. And read the terms and agree. And let's pair the device. So the TV machine, the model number is 7124. And it's got configured. And give the required permissions. and after it completed it will show the readings. And when you capture the image, it will show the readings into your phone. And you can maintain a schedule like this when you've taken the test as well.
If you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and receive the latest updates.